Okay, take 2. Hi, this is video 221, the first video in year 7 of the restoration to airworthy condition of Lancaster NX611 at the Lincolnshire Aviation Heritage Centre here in Lincolnshire, the UK. With the help of the management here at East Kirkby and especially Andrew, who allows me to talk and video the engineers at work without any restrictions, a big thank you. The cooperation of the staff makes these videos possible. A big thanks to all the engineers and volunteers at the centre who put up with me and my questions. Thanks lads. At the start of these videos I have 2 captions. The second caption I no longer refer to the 10-year programme. After speaking to Andrew a few months ago and Bob the chief engineer 2 weeks ago, Bob said the 10-year programme is not realistic, so I've changed the caption. I said to Bob, how does 7 years from now sound? He said that's more realistic, but they're not working to a fixed time schedule. Restoring the French Lancaster parts is time consuming, but they've acquired a tremendous amount of knowledge on the way forward and has helped with the jig design. Also allowing the Lancaster to carry on taxiing and bringing more revenue. I remember Andrew said he wants his Lancasters to be around in 100 years time. So let's get back to the restoration. This winter, all being well, the nose and wing section of the French Lancaster NX611 will be fitted to Just Jane, and work will begin on the wings and nose section of Just Jane to restore them to airworthy condition and refit them back when complete. I hope this information is right. If some parts are wrong, then it's down to me and no one else. It's all quiet down here.
How you doing, mate?
Oh, not bad, thanks.
Good.
What you got to tell us then, Norman?
Right?
What you got to tell us?
All the joggling's done.
Oh, good. Have they gone away to be hardened?
Well, I finished it yesterday, so Bob wasn't in yesterday, so it's all boxed up ready. It just, I don't know where when and where he's going to take it. I haven't managed to talk to him yet about actually what he's going to do with it.
Yeah.
So we're Mike painted his first 2 stringers last week.
Oh, did he?
So we've got they're fitted now. We've got the next 2 stringers to do.
Yeah.
Work our way through them. It just takes a while to deburr them.
Yes, I bet it does.
Deburr and polish.
Are these the new painted ones then?
They're for, they're inside where the tailplane fits.
Sorry?
They're either side of where the tailplane fits.
Oh, well, there you are.
So, frames 12 and 17. Stringers 12 and 17. There's my snips.
And you've got all your riveting done on the nose section?
Platinum riveting. That was the last one.
That's the
Platinum one, mate. That's the last one we put in.
the last one.
That was the last one.
So what you got to tell us then, Dave?
Well, all the big formers are done. So I'm just doing the little ones now where the tailplane goes through.
Yeah. Are you doing? Are they?
Yeah. Done this one, a bit more work involved because I've got like obviously that stretch that way and shrink now it's double, like a curvature on it. So
Oh yeah.
That one turned out alright. Goes on to the next one now. A lot easier to handle because they're nice and small, so all good. he's put them in
the order.
some sort of order so I can literally pick them up and put them where they're meant to be. Which is
Will you be painting the castings for the lights?
Yeah. I would have thought so, yeah.
These are the ones what you're going to use, are they?
Yeah. Obviously need some anchors.
Yeah.
We've got it all laid out ready, so
This is the,
when the bottom string it in, then I can crack on. But luckily I've got these to do ticking over for now.
and has Phil been in to start his doorway yet?
I'm still waiting for the bits to come back from Simone for the ones that go along the top and the bottom. So he can't really progress until he's got those back.
They're a noisy lot over there with that woodworking, aren't
Making
they?
us a new bench, I think, which is really needed to go.
And what's this new project over there you got for Red Wine Dave?
Have you seen? I was going to show you. Have you seen it? Yeah, I come in on Tuesday morning. There was a poster up, so it's all mine apparently.
Good.
Yeah, I've inherited it already.
Right.
Alright.
Just so, you got it finished then?
Well, I got it riveted.
Got it riveted?
Me and Terry did it, finished it off last week.
Yeah.
Got all the skins on, so we're just mauling about with some internal furniture now.
Oh yeah. Is there much bits to
A few
put in?
bits and bobs. We just had to do repair a bracket for the pneumatic. So there's a cylinder that goes inside for like the pneumatic system.
Yeah.
And one of the brackets had, all the rivets had disintegrated, it's fallen apart, so took it out, re-riveted it, Mike painted it, so it's only tacked in for now because obviously there's it's got this wooden former that goes inside, but it's solid rivets, so you imagine, so you look at the width of it, so it goes inside the bracket, and then you rivet it in, and that's where your cylinder fits in.
Yeah.
And then it has a clamp that goes over the top and clamps it all in place. So it's just tidied up really now.
Yeah.
It's just getting it ready for swapping bits out from Jane into here.
Yeah.
You know, so
When do you start that? Before you take it
I
off?
think the next thing will happen to it now is once we've done these nip-nap jobs, Mike is going to paint it.
Yeah.
So he'll get it covered up, do the internals, get it all painted black, and then obviously he'll paint the external of it. Once that's sorted, then we'll look at a good time to take Jane's nose off. It's just determining how much stuff to put in it before we fit it. Do you know what I mean? Access and all that kind of stuff. Just get our heads around it really, because you don't want to rough it up and then put something in it and think, oh, I've got to take it back out again now, because that's what I mean, practice. So we just get our heads around what stuff we're going to put in it, what we're going to swap over, and then we can get it done.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's looking alright.
Yeah.
Terry, you know when we had the gold rivet?
Oh yeah.
Well, Terry's going to put a platinum one in now.
Oh, platinum.
So the last rivet that went in, Terry put a platinum one in. Here, come and have a look at this.
Yeah.
Just showing him your platinum rivet.
Told him.
Have you shown it in?
Yeah, but didn't tell it it's platinum.
That one. It's a good one, that, isn't it?
It is.
Eh?
You found the golden rivet.
Oh,
now
he's
he's
put
put
a
a platinum
So
one.
what we're going to do, I reckon we'll put a little bit of masking tape on it. When it's all sprayed up and it's all looking champion, we'll just peel the masking tape off and they'll see that platinum rivet. People go, what's that? Yeah, looking alright, isn't it?
It is.
Compared to what it looked like when it mixed up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we've just got the door to do now.
Is this the door?
So that's the door that came with it. So obviously you can see it's not got any latches on it.
Yeah.
all it is a profile of the door with a skin on it.
Yeah.
There's no latches, obviously, so you've got an escape hatch, it's got to have an handle on it so you get out. So what will probably happen will end up, you've got to put a wooden frame on the inside of this one.
Yeah.
So that it'll sit in like it sits here.
Yeah.
And then we'll end up using Jane's door, I think, because all the latches, it's not complex, but it's castings and stuff like that. And the chances of getting a replacement nose hatch is probably next to zero, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we'll probably have to use Jane's hatch in this nose while it's being used for taxi, so people can actually
get out,
hit the panic button and get out if they needed to. So then obviously once this is ready to go back to the lads across in France, then we'll put the door back in it and
okay.
job's a fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So you've got the outer skin is aluminium, but the frame is wood. Is it hard wood or just a soft wood?
So I think it's meant to be the actual framing
it is hard wood, isn't
so
it?
the framing that goes on the inside, I think it's ash, I think. And obviously I put all new anchor nuts in. So there's a wooden frame that'll sit all the way around it that slightly makes the aperture slightly smaller than the hatch, if you know what I mean. So that when you're resting on it, the actual wood is taking your weight. It's got two chute bolts that run in the sides, so you can unlock it. So when you do unlock it, you've got to pull the hatch inside to turn it to throw it outside, if you know what I mean. That's how it.
There's just two straps, two levers across the top.
Yeah, two levers across. What actually sits, there's a wooden frame that sits in it. Obviously the recesses on the side of the door, it would sit in. I mean, from the inside, and that's what's taking the weight, if you know what I mean. And then the chute bolts is what keeps it in that position. If there's nobody sat on it and it went negative, you don't want the hatch going back out. So you've got a couple of chute bolts in it that locks it in place. So that's the plan. So we'll get a frame made for it, and then we'll look at fitting Jane's hatch to it.
Good. And you got the vents in, did you?
Yeah, it's all done.
Do they work?
Yeah, a bit tight, obviously, because the paint's on.
Well, you don't need to.
Bottom of this turret aperture, it's got a little drain on it. It's got a drain hole on it, and obviously there's a pipe that goes on the back that wasn't fitted.
And that goes outside.
So that goes to another pipe. Obviously, then it's like a combined drain. Then, so obviously this thing's sat outside in the rain, and obviously it's an ideal collection point for water to sit. Obviously, cause corrosion. So we're just replacing that, putting it back on.
Good.
Looking alright, isn't it?
It'll be interesting. I know we moved the Lancaster out.
I think it's going out for ground runs, I think.
Oh, today is it? I'll go and have a look, see if I get any film there. Isn't that your wife?
Yeah. Jodie the Riveter.
Is she in the raffle?
She's on 3 Squadron at Coningsby.
She's what, so?
She's on 3 Squadron at Coningsby.
Oh, is she? What actually does she do engineering?
Yes, that's what she joined as an airframes engineer.
Oh, was it? Oh, good.
She joined the RAF doing that, I like it.
And she still likes it?
Well, she's been at it for 27 years, so I think she might like it. You know what I mean?
So she's a good help to you then, to drag
she
her
comes in handy now and again. Not much round the house, but like I say, give her a rivet gun, she's alright, but round house. No, she does alright.
Good.
She does alright, so she'll be riveting that one.
I'll have a word with Keith now. These lads working away, cleaning up, ready for painting.
What have we got? First two painted, one's fitted.
Oh, These are the first ones. Morning, Keith.
Morning, oh, sorry.
I say you've got on well. You've got the top side riveted, the skin.
Oh yeah, we've got all that done.
Yeah.
Got a repair done.
Yeah.
Just put the stringers in now. So this rubbish out.
Have you got many more wooden form patterns to make?
Number 3.
Number 3, oh, you're getting on then. Are they the larger ones?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's number 18. I've got up to 21 to do.
Yeah. And these are ribs, are they?
Yeah, these
Ribs.
are formers to make the ribs. Yeah, they're the ribs there.
Yeah.
In blank form.
Yeah. And what about these two aluminium angles, which are the like the spar of the?
I don't know what's happening about them yet.
No, them got them sorted yet. All right, thank you.
Not too bad. Getting there slowly. It's looking alright, isn't it?
Yeah, coming on fine. Oh, well done, Jason. That's good. That's real good.
Yeah. Getting that second skin on, and then hopefully getting the wooden end suite made up soon. And then it'll be a case of starting to make these lower skins.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the side that counts, so yeah.
That's good. Well done.
Thank you.